Yo, what's going on YouTube? It is CJ Brand, and we are back once again with the brand new tech unboxing for you guys today. Now today we're going to be taking a look at this IceFox 4K action camera. And when I tell y'all this camera right here has a lot of hype going around in general, man, I cannot wait to go ahead and get this camera unboxed and actually go ahead and start testing this camera out today, man. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into the unboxing portion of this video. Let's go ahead and see exactly what IceFox has for us creators and also action content users. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. All right, cool. Straight up the rip, man, you got no plastic on this box. That's even better, man. So we can just go ahead and pop the little tab off of here, open this thing all the way up. Okay. We got us some goods up in here. First thing I got to take out is going to be the instruction manual. Obviously, that's the first thing we always want to do. This right here is just going to show us exactly what's also included inside this box, but also how to use the product itself. And I think that there's some other stuff in here that may show you exactly what else. Yeah, these are all the accessories that do come with this camera, so it's pretty amazing. Now let's put that to the side because it's the boring part of everybody's videos. Now straight out of the box as well, we do go ahead and get the IceFox box as well. This right here is going to include all of our accessories, I'm pretty sure, because I see the camera already laying down in the box. So let me go and open this one up too, and let's go ahead and see what we have inside here. This box is thick, bro. Like, Jesus Christ. Open that bad boy up real quick. Okay, we got us a... You know what? We're just gonna pour this all out real quick. We got a lot to go through. Holy crap. Hey, IceFox, what y'all doing, bro? Like, bro, I got the accessory for days. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. If y'all know stuff about action cameras, y'all already know what this pretty much is. It's a lot of different pieces and stuff that you'll put together just to make, you know, basically whatever you want to make out of it. So like, I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of mounting options that you can use, like head mounts, chest mounts, stuff like that. We got some straps right here too. Like I said, I'm not gonna go through all this stuff at all, but this is everything that you will get from it. But what I will do is obviously make sure the product link is down below in the description. That way you guys can, for one, go ahead and purchase this amazing camera. Also on top of that, if you guys start visiting the IceFox website, they even have free cameras from time to time as well. So you may be able to just win yourself one of these amazing cameras. So hey, yeah, I got a lot of accessories, bro. Like it's a whole lot of. So yeah, we're gonna just. Oh, we got a trigger. I know exactly what that is. Let me pull that one up. We got a trigger, y'all. Let me stop. Hey, I feel like a kid in the candy store. I get to pick, pick through everything and everything like that. Let me push this up to the side real quick. Let's go ahead and get into the fun part of the business end, which is going to be the camera itself. Ooh, this camera is actually kind of cool, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like comparing it to like, the other action cameras out here, this camera right here may be it. So this right here is a 4K camera up to the highest resolution it can go up to. The good thing about it does shoot up to 60 frames a second as well. Now, if you don't want to do 4K, you can do 2.7, 1080p, and then obviously the last option, which is going to be 720p. But who the heck want to go down there when you got 4K? Now, also on top of that, for anybody that wants to pick up a camera just like this, let's say, for instance, you're a swimmer or whatever, this camera does go in the water up to 30 meters as well, so you won't have to worry about too much unless you're trying to go like deep down diving, like you trying to go find the Atlantis or something like that. Don't do all that now. You can go into a swimming pool, and you can go into the ocean, I believe, so and dive. I think the accurate amount is like 131 feet that you can go to. If you don't know what 30 meters is, let me just confirm. 131 feet is that's how far you can go up in the water. So if you 30 meters or 131 feet, it's the same difference. Hey, that's all that matters, man. But hey, 6K camera right here. Let me go ahead and see if I can pop the case off of this camera real quick. That way we can see exactly what it looks like without the camera housing on that real quick. It's gonna take me a little minute. I gotta figure out how to heck the oh, there we go. Ooh. Oh heck, bro, come on now. This is a small compact camera right here, bro. This dope. I ain't gonna lie, this hella dope. Like, this is pocket size, put it in your pocket and you want to go, man. Now also inside this box we do go ahead and get 2 batteries as well. Now these batteries right here, they only provide us with 2 hours of battery life each, so you'll have at least about 4 hours of battery life, even though the packaging does say 5 hours. So maybe we'll get like 2 hours on a good day. Maybe another day we may get 2.5 hours out of both batteries, or even more. I'm not for sure, but I'm gonna pop one of these batteries up in here and let's just hope that one of these is charged up so we can go ahead and power on this amazing camera, man. All right, so we are back. We got the camera officially set up, man. I will tell you this once again. Using this camera so far, even though it is very tiny, it is actually very cool as well. Now, obviously, you guys are seeing it does have dual screens as well. We got one on the front end of the business end, and then we also got one on the back end of it as well. The front camera is not on just yet, just because I'm not actually physically recording, it looks like. But once I actually hit the record, I'm pretty sure that that's when this one will come on. It's just the same as any other action camera where you're doing like this, you'll be able to pretty much have that selfie view pretty much. Now, this camera does come, it doesn't come with a USB cable at all. I'm sorry. Now, this camera here doesn't come with like a SD card at all for us to utilize in, but you will need to use a micro SD card. It does just pop right here on the side for us. Now, also on top of that, as you guys are seeing, hold on, my bad, y'all. As you guys are seeing as well, this right here is going to be charged by a USB-C cable. So that's going to be pretty amazing too, that they actually got a USB-C cable to charge up this little camera too. Now, otherwise than that, man, this camera right here, once again, like I said, it has 4K capability recording wise. It also can take pictures as well. Now, the pictures that's going to come out this camera right here is going to be at a 20 megapixels per image that you do take. So it's not going to give you the best of the best pictures, but having 20 megapixels inside of a camera at this small size, it actually is going to be pretty decent for what is, you know, what it's worth basically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab an SD card for this, take some pictures and stuff like that. This is like some little products I got around the house or whatever, and just see exactly what this camera looks like at nighttime, and then also with using studio lights as well. I'm also trying to see if I can get like a little bit of a video to record it as well, just of me using the camera too. Hopefully this will work out perfectly fine for us. I know some people, you know, they don't believe anything unless you show proof. So that's what your boy gonna do. We're gonna go to this proof real quick of footage so I can show you guys exactly what I'm talking about with having a 4K camera that can shoot to 60 frames a second, man. Come on, man. Come on, action cameras, let's do it, man. So let's go ahead and grab something real quick so I can show you that proof. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so we ran into a very small hiccup, unfortunately, but it's all cool, man. So unfortunately, the SD cards I used to have for like, you know, like the micro size, they're micro for a reason, because you really are going to lose them unless you actually take care of those. This is the first product in a long time I've actually had that actually required for me to use a micro SD. So I went ahead and went to Amazon, just ordered me a couple of those. So this is what we are going to do. So like I said, this is what we are going to do. We're going to go ahead and drop this video right here for YouTube purposes, but we are going to come back with a YouTube short. The YouTube short is not going to take that long at all. So, hey, make sure you guys go to like this video today. Make sure you drop a comment down below. Just let me know if you guys actually do want to see the footage from this camera. That way your boy can make sure I get it out right on time for y'all. But we will drop a YouTube short that's going to go in full detail as well of also the camera specs once again. We're going to talk about that 4K 60 capabilities. Also, we can go ahead and take it down to 2.7, 1080p, and also that 720p if you know, if you really want to. You want to do all that. But also on top of that, we're going to make sure we take some pictures as well. That's going to be 20 megapixels as well. That's pretty much going to be dope. Now, like I said as well, they do have their own Snap app as well. You can go ahead and edit all of your footage strictly from the camera too. So it's pretty much going to be a versatile camera for everybody to use once again. So hey, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section about the IceFox action camera. And until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.